Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Nimble CRM contact cleanup using merges step by step clearly. To begin verifying Nimble CRM contact cleanup through merges, log into your Nimble account. Navigate to the Contacts section found in the main dashboard. Click on the Merge option located in the toolbar. Identify the contacts that you suspect are duplicates. Select the first contact you wish to check. Then, choose the second contact that you believe may be a duplicate. Review the information displayed for both contacts side by side. Ensure you examine all relevant fields, such as name, email, phone number, and company. If the contacts match, click on the Merge button. You will be prompted to confirm the merge action. After confirmation, Nimble will consolidate the information into a single contact. To verify the merger, search for the newly merged contact in the contacts list. Review the contact details to ensure all information is accurate and complete. If any information is missing, you can manually edit the merged contact. Repeat this process for any additional duplicate contacts you identify. Regularly perform this verification to maintain a clean CRM database. By following these steps, you can ensure a streamlined and effective contact management system within Nimble CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.